Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome back to another RAMShard plugin tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up and use the RocketJoin plugin on your Minecraft Java Edition server for Paper and or Spigot. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are liking these tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. You will want to head to the config, go to the files drop-down box, then click FTP Files Access and Login. Click into the plugins folder and then click into the RocketJoin folder. Find the config.yml file and edit it. As you can see, the plugin is quite customizable. To start, you can edit the prefix for the messages shown in chat. Just be sure to keep it in the quotes when you change the prefix. I'm going to change the prefix to RAMShard. You can even change the no permission message to match the rest of your server. You also have the option to enable or disable the join and leave messages. Along with changing the join and leave messages to what you want, the prefix will automatically show before the message you set. You are also able to have a VIP join message along with a firework. Often, this is used for those who buy ranks. You can enable and disable all of these options, or do an overall enable or disable of the VIP features. The VIP join feature has a permission node that needs to be added to the donor group. The permission node is rocketjoin.vip. Once you add that to the VIP group will have the join features. Now that is how you easily set up the RocketJoin plugin on your Spigot and or Paper Minecraft Java Edition server. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.